Go ahead.
Repairability test. Cockman. So this is our torn shingle right here. Tear, missing tab. So this one will be able to be repaired. To repair that, you're gonna have to take nails out here, and obviously here, and here. All right, torn shingle here, missing tab, another torn above it. To get this torn shingle out, we will have to take these nails out, and obviously these nails. And I will start by this. First, to show the shingle was over 20 years old. To get these nails out, we'd have to lift up, and it already is torn there. I'm gonna start taking the nails out. Brittle. To get these nails, I have to lift this shingle up. Another tear. Every time you touch it, you tear. I think we're good here, Cam. Shingle's beyond repair. You cannot even lift the shingle up to get the nails out underneath this one to replace this one. But while I'm here, I will go ahead and continue taking the shingle out to send it off to ITEL. Another tear. Here. Somewhere here. Another tear there. I'm gonna lift the shingle up. This will also show the underlayment is not felt. It is ice and water sealed, granulated. The entirety of the roof.